The first place I want you to collect some resources is at Discovery Streaming, which is a subscription service that is a distinct luxury, and Radford University has an account for our students. I've included the login information in the email with these videos, so please make sure that you log in correctly. And when you get to discoveryeducation.com, you're going to log in, and then you're going to go to the search bar, and I'd like you to take just about a couple of minutes today before you come to class tomorrow to take a look at what Discovery Education has for your topic. So for example, if I search on aqueduct and think about that lesson and looking at some opportunities to teach about aqueducts, I actually really like this video on building an aqueduct because it is a group of university faculty and students who are building an aqueduct in the United States to see how they worked. And the language is a little bit too sophisticated. You'll notice it's rated grades 6 through 8, 9 through 12. The language is a little bit too sophisticated for my students. However, what my plan is that I'm going to show the video, stopping and pausing it on mute. I'm not actually going to play the sound for them. I'm going to narrate. And as we talk about how the aqueduct works, I'm going to play the next chunk of the video so that they see the parts coming together. I think a lot of times when you look at a finished aqueduct, it's hard to know how the water actually moved through the channels and how they built those and what the purpose of the arches were and those kinds of things. And so I can explain that while they're getting this really nice visual of an aqueduct being constructed. When you go and look at a topic, you'll notice that it comes back with all kinds of resources, and I will do something a little bit broader right now. Let's do Declaration of Independence, and you'll notice that I can now browse by and filter things by grade level. When you also scroll down, you'll notice that there are images, there are video segments, there are there's an audio recording, there is a content collection, and if we click on the content collection, that's actually designed for teachers, and you'll notice there are high school resources, middle school resources, and K-5 elementary resources, and it actually puts a collection of things together for you if your topic is broad enough. The important thing, some of them are boards, and they are sort of a mini Pinterest board, if you will, of video and lessons and photographs. So take a look at your topic, explore. I would not stop at K-5. I would look at the 6-8 middle resources because sometimes there's some great photographs in there that you might want to use in a PowerPoint and adapt in a different way. This is a great resource for finding all kinds of representations. So keep a little list for yourself. What do you notice are some video clips or visual resources on Discovery Education. There are even some lesson starters. If you go into the lesson starter piece, it will give you some ideas on how to use the videos and the pictures and so forth in the collection.